Merry Christmas, guys. It's not Christmas, but it's upcoming, so that's why we're putting up this train together. We will explain all the things through, and we're gonna tell you how to build it. The first part is where you connect the trains around a circle. How you connect them is you see the sharp thingy and there's an empty thing behind. You have to keep one over here, and that's how it sticks. This one is a power station where it gives power so the train could turn on. This is where you control the speed. This one's good, this one's medium, and this one's very fast. And this is where you go forward and backwards. This is where you turn on the lights. This is the cab. These are the cabs where the people are gonna be. And this is the front of the train. These are signals of the train. It is a signal where we put here the tracks and a railroad crossing close. Here are these trees where we're gonna put the front of the train. So let's dive in. Be careful, guys. This is a power supply that goes to you all. So we need a parent. My brother's gonna help me out build a train, and it's gonna be awesome. Keep watching. I'm done with the tracks. Now we're gonna put the power signal. Now make sure to get a parent for this. So you have to connect this to the tracks. And now you need a big one and put it in the outlet. Make sure your Christmas tree is in your outlet. Now we're done with the power signal. Now we need to put the train. After that, we're gonna put this. Okay, now we're gonna put the train. So we're gonna put it this way. Make sure they're in order. This is the back of the train and these are the passengers. Okay. Now we're gonna test the train out, so if it works. So let's. It's going so good so far. Just a little. Okay, so the train is good. Now we're gonna put all the cabs here. Make sure to follow. Now we're in the last final part. If you have supplies like this, you can try. If you don't, it's fine. You can watch us. So the railroad crossing is gonna be here. You can put it anywhere you want. It can be here. The train signal could be over here, near here. And then the trees could be over here, one side. So we're done with the setup. Now we're gonna test if the train's working. So let's test it here. Oops. It's so good. I can't believe it's so good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.